Where it starts is here on the truck. Most of us have work trucks or vans, whatever. So that ladder should be, thanks Carter. That ladder should be secure. I'm fortunate enough to have the buckles on mine. I will make a recommendation to Ryan that all vehicles have these, meaning these here. They're a lot safer than the straps. Those straps they wear, the buckles wear out a whole lot easier over time. If you guys will just go ahead and you go ahead and take her off of there. So
I will certainly say something. His eye socket held right there. He doesn't have an eye anymore. So be careful.
So a lot of us as project supers, we're on our own out in the field. So we don't normally have someone with us. So if it was me, if I'm taking this ladder off, I would do each one of them as they done. I would then crawl in the bed of the truck, slide that ladder down, let it rest on the rack, and then do a fireman's carry to wherever I was taking it to. If you guys did want to sit up right here,
I just stand it up. Stand it up.
Mike, when will we see the single person demonstration? The
here we
fireman
go.
carry?
Here we go right here. As you notice, obstruction. Before you set a ladder up, make sure you're free of any obstruction. Biggest thing is this is a fiberglass ladder, but guys, some of you have aluminum ladder on your trucks. So you do not want to be coming in contact with any electricity. You want to be there on site.
Because when you come back, you can set it down. And then if you ain't high enough, right back up.
Well, the cleats will be down on a level area. So with the cleats here, as you can see, they have spikes on. That way they can dig into the surface. Look at there. You got more leverage then. Then you can get up and do what you need to do. Okay. Correct and incorrect way. And that's why we have these training sessions. That's why we do this stuff.
Those aren't good.
So the other one too.
This cable, and you want to make sure that I use 2 points, so these are good, but also I have a security cable keeping my truck now. That way, if this one doesn't, if it's not strapped down, this is locked in. It still can't come off the truck. Okay. Can't be stolen. It can't be stolen. That's a big thing. So.